Alright, today we're going to be going over the trade that made me 8.3k today. Now for full transparency, these trades were taken on evals, 3 alpha futures and 1 my funded futures. So starting off on the 4-hour chart, we have these stacked failure swings here. We have 1, 2, 3 failure swings. Our daily open was here and we had no manipulation higher. So seeing this move down without any manipulation higher, I'm assuming this downward move was the manipulation so that we could eventually move back up during New York session, which is what happened. My bias was confirmed when we created this SMC with YM and we came into a discount of this range here. Moving down to the hourly chart, we see that Asia and London session retrace into this hourly gap here while creating that SMT that I mentioned earlier, and we have a strong reaction out of here from London session. So this set up a daily profile of London session reversal, New York continuation to those failure swings that I have marked out. Moving down to the hourly, what I saw here was this order block formation that we had, and we respected this fair value gap we held and respected, and this SMT here. Something else that I saw here is this candle formation here where we sweeped out candle 1's low, candle 2 was a reversal type of candle, and candle 3, 10 a.m. was an expansion toward previous day's high and eventually this higher time frame swing high. So coming down to 9:30 open, we create this gap here. And I don't want to enter here on this change on state of delivery here just because it's too soon for me. And I want to see this gap get respected for a continuation higher. And we obviously don't see that. This gap gets inversed and then eventually we create this bearish gap. And this gap right here is the one that I want to see get inversed before I get on side to go long and targeting previous day's high. Once this 5-minute gets inversed, that's my signal to enter, and I put my stop loss here at this low here and my take profit here at previous day's high. Another confluence I had was on the 3-minute, and it was this order block formation that created here after we put in this SMT. When we confirmed this order block formation, it was around the same time we inversed the 5-minute, so I had an entry around here, my stop loss at this low, and my take profit was at previous day high, and I got around a 2R. I didn't care to take profit at this high, or any of the highs before previous day's high, because that is a higher time frame draw and it is the significant swing point in the market. Everything else in between are just failure swings, and those failure swings are not going to reverse the market unless we have SMT. That's why I was so confident when I answered here that we were going to go to my draw and reach previous day's high. We also tagged the current week's high and even all-time highs. And here's a video of my executions live with alpha futures. I let my alpha futures account run to previous day high, while my other account I let run to just a simple 1.2 because I put a lot more risk on that one, whereas my alpha futures account I only risked $1,000. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this trade recap, please let me know so I could continue to do them in the future, and let me know if you want to see anything else from me. Thank you and God bless.